Hi Lena lovers, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're a content creator like me, you already know the struggle of finding good music that won't get your videos demonetized or hit you with a copyright claim. But guess what, guys? YouTube just dropped a game changer and I'm here to give it all to you guys. This is huge. I wasn't expecting this. And it just happened. Guys, I'm not going to hold back any information. I'm going to share with you how you're going to solve this very problem, okay? So if you've ever uploaded a video and you got a copyright claim on that video because of the music you use, do not panic because I am here with the permanent solution. Today, I'm here to teach you or show you how you can resolve this situation without deleting any of your videos that has a copyright claim. Stay tuned, guys. At this moment, I would like you guys to subscribe to my channel, share this particular video, like, comment, just do the beautiful things, and thank you. So with that being said, let's go into our YouTube studio.com. Okay, guys, this is my YouTube studio interface. So I'm just going to look for the video that gave me a copyright claim. So what you have to do is to click on context and then you search for the video. I'm just going to search for that video that gave me copyright claim. I found it. So this particular video, Park Clean Moving With Me, it means I can't earn from this particular video. So I'm just going to click on copyright and then click on see details. Now let me read this. Copyright protected content found. The owner allows the content to be used, but you can't monetize your videos, right? You can't monetize this particular video. So I'm just going to click on details, see details, and take action. Okay, I want to remove the copyright claim, so I'm just going to click on take action, which will bring me here. So this is the new feature I'm talking about, replace song. As you can see, new is already highlighted. It means it's a new feature that YouTube introduced. So before, what you have is erase song. Is that you take out the entire song and that particular segment of your video will not have any song on it. So now YouTube have introduced replace song with a new one, right? So I'm just going to click on new and continue, right? Over here I have varieties of music that I can choose to replace the already copyrighted music. I'm just going to search for any video that suits that particular scene in my video. Let's play this one and see if it's a good music. Okay, I think I'll just go with this. So what I'll do is to add, just going to add this particular music to change one that is already giving me copyright claim. So after I add it, I'm just going to click on save. Click on save. Right? Now this is what it says. Claim won't be automatically released. This claim won't be automatically released because the adjusted segment does not cover the entire claim section. If you feel the claim is inaccurate, you may dispute the claim once the edit finishes processing. So what they're basically saying is, since the video is in one segment, right, it can only cover that particular segment that is affected, because I use like 2 to 3 music in that particular video, this particular video, right? So what I'm replacing is that one I gave the copyright claim. So I'm just going to confirm the changes, right? Click on confirm changes. And you're good to go, guys. You are good to go. This will take few minutes. Video editing is in progress, right? So this will take, like they say, 60 minutes left for it to be edited into the new music I selected. So yeah, so this might take few minutes to process, but once YouTube finish updating the audio, the copyright claim will be gone and your video stays alive. And that's it. This new upgrade YouTube just introduced is so sweet. Guys, let me give you a quick tip, right? Always double check your videos before uploading it, before putting it out to like public it, right? Always check, right? Now, the only way you can check is if you use this route to upload your video, right? Because this other pattern of uploading a video cannot give you that check you want to get immediately, right? Because if you upload a video through your YouTube studio, you're going to get the checks before putting it out publicly, right? So it is advisable that you double check your videos if a vlog or any video you are using has a music you're not sure of. So my lovers, if this video was so helpful, help me to give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe, share, comment below how this video was helpful and what you've learned. Thank you so much, and I'm going to give you an interesting update real soon. Bye guys.